Alright guys, this is kind of what we're looking at. I'm just gonna sit in here, but it's gonna come over a little bit more. Back up here. There we go. But that's what they're gonna look like. Can't really do a whole lot of hiding these things. Try to see what it looks like from a straight on back view if I can get high enough. I guess it don't look too awful bad sticking down there. It's a fat muffler. I mean, it's really tall. So, kind of limited of how I'm going to get these under here. I tried them coming out here on the sides, coming out here. I didn't like them. Too much of the muffler showed. So we're gonna go like this. Keep them just below the bumper on the loop area here. But it's clearing pretty good here. You don't need a lot of clearance because the system's gonna be tight. That one's gonna be a little bit tighter right there. All right, it's getting there. But geez, I think it's probably quitting time. Now let me turn my light out. We're pushing 99.5, I'd say. That's close enough to 100 for me. I'm done. We're supposed to get some afternoon showers today. They look like they're about ready to roll in. 4 o'clock. Can't wait. We haven't had no rain at all. Everybody getting rain around us but us. All right, guys. I think I'm gonna call it a day and come back tomorrow and do the other side. All right, y'all stay tuned.